So welcome guys to a new video. Today I'm trying to do something different from the ordinary. This is my 1980s Bedford KB pickup truck. It's just a rebranded Isuzu KB pickup truck as a Bedford. So I've removed the radiator and the engine spin, so it's not seized, but I have not yet tried to start it. I've removed the old battery and that stand is pretty bad. Some usual rust on the engine there, but otherwise not too bad. So rust holes here. So I've removed the front stuff, bumper, front grille lights, all that stuff for easier access and see what shapes these things in. And the front fender was driven onto by a tractor, so it was in pretty bad shape. I've removed it into this here. Was like all caved in, so I hammered it straight with a hammer. Should be repairable, but not looking the best right now. There's some rust on the hole there and the roof's a bit bad. Here too. That side is okay, but this side is full of rust. Nothing through except tear on the seam near the pedals, and there's this legs and stuff. The seat's not too bad. I've removed the backrest. It's a bit green from all the rain because that side window will not close fully. I've disassembled the door from the inside a bit, but it's stuck and broken, so I've sealed it up. It goes like about halfway. So those few lines are pretty bad. Good to repair those. So the next step is to start this thing up. So anyways, enough of the old truck there. I'd like for you guys to comment on like what you see more on the truck, or see longer or shorter videos and that stuff, and anything about cars. I've not made any long form videos, and I just improvised a little bit here for a start. My English is pretty bad. I'm not a native speaker and that stuff. This video is not supposed to be good, but I just wanted to ask you guys your thoughts and show that truck. I don't know, like comment what you think about the project there, and yeah, that's about it for today. And comment on if you know any tips on getting these old diesels running and that stuff, or rust removal, or straightening the metal, or anything like that. But yeah, bye bye.